arrange the kids because we are seeing them tomorrow.
Si Madam, nakita si Madam. Siksi kayo mo. Siksi kayo mo. Short. Kita ka rin. Uy, kuhan mo yan ano eh. Nag-live na yun eh.
Hello sa akong viewer. Huwag maibig.
Hindi ko maklaro kung saan.
Hindi pa makita.
Blurred ba niya akong mata?
Beneath the moonlight, here I stand, thinking of your smile, soft and grand. Your shadow dances in the gentle air, making the night feel warm and fair. Moon will keep my heart tonight. Hold the feelings I can speak right. Through the quiet, through the gentle longing, your light remains softly comforting.
Nakurang iko ani.
Stars are shining, watching us in peace. Remembering laughter slowly says, I reach for you in dreams so near. Though far away, your warmth feels clear. Moon will keep my heart tonight. All the feelings I can speak right. Through the quiet, through the gentle longing, your light remains softly comforting. If only time could pause a while, I'd stay near you, sharing every smile. Tonight will fade, the dawn will rise, sweet memories linger in my eyes. Moon will keep my heart tonight, wrap my feelings till they feel right. Through the quiet, through the gentle longing, your light remains softly comforting.